Hi, in this video I will present what my personal input into the group project that we had for gameplay programming this year. Since most of my code from our personal submissions made it into the final game, my job was mainly to improve on the mechanics and adding new tools, while the rest of the team focused on creating levels and populating them with the objects I created. One of the first things I made was the player UI, visible top right corner, coins, and bottom right corner health, um, as well as the coins themselves, which can be picked up and they spin. They can be instantiated. They instantiate explosions. Um, Also, uh, in the player UI, which is not visible yet, um, has a set of icons that appear whenever a player picks up either a speed buff or a double jump buff that we created before, so that player has an additional input knowing whether he's using a pickup at this very moment. It shows up in the bottom left corner. That's for speed. Uh, and I'm gonna present the other one just in a second. So as you can see, running through the door, there's the pickup. We pick it up, and in the left corner you can see the springs. Both of the icons will disappear soon after, right as the buff stops working. Thank you for the attention.